New Year's resolution that you made a few weeks ago to get healthy and lose weight? Well, you didn't stick to it, did you? You're not alone. Here to help us get back on track is the well-known nutritionist, Cherie. Cherie has helped thousands of people live healthier lives, and she wants to help you today. Please help me welcome Cherie. Cherie, welcome back. So great to have you back.
Thank you. It's
We're
great
matching
to be back
today, the royal blue. I love it.
We are, and speaking of losing weight, you have lost a lot of weight.
I have. Eating right makes a huge difference.
Oh.
It really does.
It makes a difference in how you feel. What happened to your energy?
Way up. And it can happen to you too. You just need to listen closely today. You had some real health issues. We've talked about this before.
Yes.
That really caused you to make a change in your life. Can you just go back and tell us about that?
Yes, I was so sick in my 20s, my late 20s actually. I had chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia, a long list of allergies and all sorts of things going on, and I had to quit my job and move back home to my father's house and sleep 12 hours a day, wake up tired, struggle, and have no energy. I couldn't even go for a walk because I didn't know if I'd make it around the block. I was that tired, that sick, and I felt like I had the flu all the time. I ached all over. That's part of chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia. And doctors had no hope for my condition. They just said I'd have to live with this probably for the rest of my life, and I thought, this is crazy. I am young, I'm single, there is no way I'm going to live like this. So I prayed, and you know, oftentimes when you pray, God asks you to do something, right? And
yeah,
he started showing me.
And you know what, as you're talking,
something.
I'm really getting a strong sense that there's people that are watching the program right now that are going through the same thing you were going through. They're watching the program, they have no energy.
Yes.
Could be fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, and some of you may have lost hope. Well, you're not watching by accident. There is hope. Right, Cherie? There is hope.
There's great hope, and I'm so glad you said that, because I believe that God has brought each person here right now for hope. If you're needing that, if you've been praying, there's some people that tell me, I've just been crying out to God for answers, and then I came across you, Cherie, and your message. So it is a ministry that we're talking about. It's all spiritual. People say food isn't spiritual. Oh no, we're going to talk about how spiritual it is.
Yeah.
But
this is a spiritual program tonight.
That's right. That's right.